update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a positive bias today and was trading with a positive bias for the first couple of hours of the trading session. Post 11 in the morning session, we saw the selling pressure emerge at higher levels, and the selling pressure continued throughout the day. And the Nifty, which opened in the positive, closed in the negative, down 17 points for the day. The market breadth was positive with 775 advances to 739 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, Tata Motors, L&T, Maruti, ONGC were some of the stocks which closed in the positive today, while HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, TCS, Reliance were some of the draggers of today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative after 5 consecutive daily positive closes. In the last trading session, we saw the Nifty rallying more than 100 points, and today's negative close can be considered as just a sideways consolidation, and the positive momentum shall resume on the upside in the coming trading sessions. It is also possible that the Nifty has completed a wave here because the Nifty has closed in the negative today. It is possible that the current rise from the low of 7961 up till the high of today's high of 84.45 might have just completed today, or it has completed at the high of 8445, and now we should be expecting a fall or a downside in the coming trading sessions. However, a single day price action can't be used to signal a trend reversal, so hence we continue to be positive on the markets in the coming trading sessions. Yes, 8445 is a crucial resistance, and if the positive momentum shall or have to continue on the upside, then today's high of 8445 has to be taken out in the coming trading sessions. So we continue to be positive on Nifty. Our short-term target of 84.55 was just missed by a matter of 10 points. However, we feel that once today's high is taken off, then the target shall also extend on the upside. So we continue to maintain a positive bias on Nifty for a target of 84.55. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that after opening in the positive, the second half or after the first couple of hours, we saw some selling pressure. However, the Nifty is still trading above the crucial 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which should act as crucial supports for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. The hourly momentum indicator has given a negative crossover, which indicates that we might just see some sideways consolidation or a fall in the Nifty. However, the fall in Nifty should not be extremely sharp, and it should terminate around the hourly averages placed at 83.60 and 83.25. So 83.60 and 83.25, which are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, should act as crucial supports. On the upside, 84.45, which is today's high, and above that 8500 shall act as crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has closed in negative today. We feel that Bank Nifty is in an extension on the upside, and today's sideways consolidation is just a sideways consolidation, and the positive momentum should resume on the upside in the coming trading sessions. So we continue to be positive on Bank Nifty as well. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 18,750 and 18,428. On the upside, 19,166 and 19,400 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, we continue to be positive on the markets, on the Nifty. Today's negative close can be considered as a sideways consolidation after 5 continuous daily positive closes and a 100-point rally in the last trading session. So we feel that the positive bias is still there, and we continue to be positive on Nifty. Crucial supports are placed at 83.60 and 83.25. Crucial resistances are placed at 84.45 and 8500. That's all for the day.